Hi, I'm Riley McConnell, the 2022-23 Student Government Association President. As you know, college is a space to experience growth and opportunity, but it can sometimes present difficult situations for students. It's our mission to represent the Eastern student body in all matters affecting their rights, interests, and well-being. To help more students and ease the financial burdens we can all relate to, SGA is excited for the launch of our SGA Emergency Fund. This fund would allow students to receive extra financial support for the everyday tasks or challenges they may face as young adults. Students would be able to apply at any time and, if accepted, receive a small grant to assist with expenses such as car repairs, medical bills, groceries, and more. However, for this to happen, we need your help. SGA has partnered with Institutional Advancement to make this new fund the focus of Eastern's High5 program. What's High5, you might ask? It's simple. We ask young alums to give back to help future Eastern students in an affordable way starting in their senior year. Seniors make a 5-year pledge that starts with a $10 gift and continues at $10 a year for each of the next 4 years. If there's an academic department, a club, organization, sport, or any other area of campus you're passionate about, by all means support what is meaningful to you. But I'm here to ask you to consider helping fellow students in need by supporting the SGA Emergency Fund. As a thank you for your support and to help kickstart the fund, SGA will match all donations to the fund up to $5,000 total. SGA is run by students for students, and we hope you might help us to help each other now and for years to come.